Hello everyone, welcome to Mythology Fitness. Today we'll be talking about good carbs and bad carbs, also known as simple carbs and complex carbs. Carbohydrates are one of the major macronutrients and one of our body's primary source of energy. Some weight loss programs discourage eating them, but I don't agree with them. The key is finding the right carbs and not avoiding them completely. You may have heard that eating complex carb is better than simple carbs, which is something we're going to discuss today. You might have noticed that food labels don't tell you if the carbohydrate content is simple or complex. A simple way to understand complex carbohydrate is that it contains longer chains of sugar molecules than the simple carbohydrates. Our body converts the sugar molecules into glucose, which it uses for energy. As complex carbohydrates have longer chains, they take longer time to break down and provide more lasting energy in the body than the simple carbohydrates. Simple carbs are called sugars and digest quickly in our body, thus increasing the blood glucose level. Sugars are found in a variety of natural food sources, including fruit and vegetables, milk and milk products. Many processed foods contain added sugars in the form of raw sugar, brown sugar, corn syrup, glucose, fructose, sucrose, and fruit juice concentrate. Because sugar provide no nutrition apart from the energy, they are often referred to as empty calories. So if someone says empty calories, they're basically referring to sugar. If you're trying to lose weight or build muscle, you must limit the intake of simple carbs in your diet. Not all simple carbs are bad for our health. For instance, fruits and vegetables, they contain dietary fiber and rich in vitamins and minerals. Milk and milk products contain lactose, which is a type of simple carbs, but they are rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Some of the simple carbs food to avoid: soda, packaged cookies, biscuits, packaged fruit juice, breakfast cereals. Whenever possible, try to stick to whole fruit instead of fruit juice because the fibers break down when you make juice and is left with just high amount of sugar. Complex carbs, on the other hand, packs in more nutrients than simple carbs. Complex carbs are high in fiber and digest slowly in our body. This makes complex carb more filling, which means they are a good option for weight control. Complex carbs are also good for people with type 2 diabetes as it helps manage blood sugar spikes after a meal. Some of the complex carb to include in your diet include whole grains, fruits and vegetables, beans, lentils, bread and pasta, brown rice, oats, etc. It is advisable to consume less than 70 gram a day of sugar for men and under 50 gram of sugar a day for women. So this is as per the statistics. That's about the simple carbs and complex carb, guys. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions and suggestions from me, please let me know in the comment section. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. A little support from you will make my day. See you soon with new videos on health, nutrition, and wellness. Thank you so much.